Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar in front of us right now, and as you can see that there is not much volume in the market, not much volatility or movement in the market because of Thanksgiving. So most of the traders are gone for holiday. So right now the market is extremely low, except the JPY pairs. In the JPY pairs, you can see that market is JPY strong right now, strongest currency right now. As a result, we are seeing heavy movement on JPY pairs. Otherwise, yesterday also probably you have seen in the market that we had very less movement. I had a sell, yeah, I had a buy order on OddCat, and market was flat for many hours. And when the market moved at last, it hit my stop loss. Anyways, this is the chart of DXY, and you can see right now DXY is just standing at the trend line here. So there is a first possibility is market will be bouncing from this trend line. Okay, so the first possibility is market will be bouncing from this trend line, and if it fails to bounce, then the next support will be at this level 96.40. 96.50 to 96.40 will be the next support for the market. But right now the first possibility is DXY will be bouncing from this particular trend line, which is also acting as the dynamic support for the market. And if it bounces, then definitely we will see some selling pressure on gold. Not very much, see some. And this is the Forex chart of gold USD. Okay, this is the chart of gold USD here. And as you can see right now, gold is trading at 1797, and as we all know 1805 previously was the support for from the weekly chart, and right now the same level will be acting as the new resistance for the market because support becomes resistance in the market. So if you already have a buy position, then I'll say that yes, you be with your buy position, continue with your buy position, and you can exit by 1800. Okay, you can exit by between, actually you can exit between 1800 to 1805. This can be your take profit target. But if you are looking for a fresh position in the market and looking for fresh buy position, then I say that you should not be taking any position. Try to understand our logic here, because see, if you buy at 1797, if you buy at 1797, then your stop loss, okay, then your stop loss will be below this level at least. Okay, the safest stop loss is below 1780 or 1779. If your stop loss is 1779, then a stop loss of 180 pips is something very huge. So this is not uh, at all a logical stop loss for you, isn't it? It's okay. But if you put your stop loss below 1790 or at least at 1786, then also your stop loss comes to 110 pips. This is also not a very good stop loss for your account balance. So as a result, you can clearly see that your risk to reward ratio is not matching right now. If you have a buy position, great. If you have not, skip it, avoid it, because this is not the right position at all. So what you should be doing, then you should wait for the market either to come down to the support level again. If it bounces from a support zone of 1790 to 1780, this is a support zone. If it bounces from this level again, you can go for buy. But if it goes up and reverses from the resistance of 1805, if it reverses from 1805 level, you can take a sell position. Right now market is in the middle. Right now market is in the middle. Do not trade in the middle. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So do not ask me so what you should be doing now. You should only wait for the right opportunity. That's the only thing. And most importantly, today is Thanksgiving. So as a result, most of the countries are celebrating Thanksgiving holiday. So you won't be having huge participation of the traders. As a result, there will be some fluctuations in the market, huge either very less volatility or huge fluctuations in the market. So be very careful. If beginners, new traders, traders with very low balance, please avoid trading for today. Start with next week when market will be back to normal again. Okay, so bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow with the trading analysis for the next week.